Okay, I'm back. Now, here's a little trick that when it comes to the screen protector, I'm not doing it now because I don't have a setup in my bathroom. When you put on a screen protector, the very best place, there's nothing worse than right when you're getting the screen protector, right when you put it on here, there's a speck of dust right as you put it on. Like, God dang it. The best place to do this is in your bathroom. So set it up on your bathroom counter, run the hot water, whether you have a shower, whether you have a bathtub, close your door in the bathroom, turn the hot water on all the way, wait a few minutes, let the steam build up. What the steam buildup does, it doesn't fog this or affect this. What it does is all the little dust particles that are in the air in your bathroom, the steam weighs it down and they all fall to the ground. Now, you can either turn your hot water off and then apply it, or you can leave the hot water on with the steam in there while you put it on there. Either way, just do it in your bathroom, get it steamy. It'll weigh down all the little lint and dust fibers, so you don't get any lint underneath between the screen protector and your display. Now, this does not come with a guide. You know how some come with a guide you put on there and it lines it up perfectly. So I do have another trick for y'all that I'm going to show you. If you do not have a guide, I got something y'all can do. So what you want to do, get your hands, get the nice and clean, no oils. Let's get one of these. Now, here's the screen protector. Check this out. Already dust. So here is the privacy screen protector. And as you can tell, when you turn it to the side, either way, it blacks out the screen. Now, what about this way as well? Nope. So it only blacks it out left or right, looking at it, right? If you look at it from the top down or from the bottom down, you can still see it. But if you're on a train or something, and let's say you're sitting over and it's like that, and somebody tries to look at you, they won't be able to see what you're doing. So I can definitely see where this would come in handy. I don't have use for it, but it definitely blacks out when you look at it from the side, which is pretty cool. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to put this back, right? Let's clean this with the provided kit here. So you get a microfiber, you get a, what is this, alcohol wipe, and a dust sticker. So I know it seems tedious. Trust me, go ahead, because I cleaned my phone right before I got back with when I paused the video. When I cleaned it, washed my hands, cleaned my hands. Go ahead and use this. Every little bit helps. If you want a perfect install, just go ahead and do it. It won't take an extra couple minute or two just to do all this. It's taking a little longer because I'm describing it, but I can do this. It'll only take another minute or two, so not a big deal. So what it does is gets all of the oils, smudges off of your display and actually makes the glass sit on there perfect. So, and then I always recommend going ahead and run the dust sticker on there as well, just to get all of the excess lint particles, microscopic lint particles off of there. Just like that. That's all you got to do. Run it up and down here a couple times. And put it back. Okay. Now here's what I'm going to do. If you don't have a guide, right, what I do, put it in the case. That'll help you so you're not so off-centered. So go ahead and put it in the case. Just like that. Okay. You might want to run a dust sticker again, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Just like that. Do we have any lint particles? I do not see any. Okay, so hopefully it stays like that. Now, get some tape. Here's what we're going to do. You're going to pull your screen protector out and get some tape. Now, you see how the tab is on this side. So you're going to peel it off. This side's going to lay on the phone. So if this side's going to lay on the phone, you want to put some tape. So you put your case on there. You want to get some tape like this. Look. some masking tape. It helps you guide the helps you guide it on there, right? So you can have a perfect install, just like that. So I got tape here. You can fold one end over so it's not sticky on the other side, right? And you got your case there to help you guide it on as well. So I'm gonna do one last check. Do not see any lint. All right, let's give it a try. Lay it on there just like that. We'll let it sit on there. Normally you can just give it a little tap in the center and then you'll see it kind of like liquid forge to the display. And then you can slowly peel off this tape here. Throw that to the side. Slowly peel this tape here. Put it off to the side. And hopefully you got a nice fit. Give it a nice rub down. Make sure the air bubbles right now. If you do have a couple of air bubbles, have no fear. As long as you look at it real closely and there's nothing underneath it, no debris, no lint, and you kind of massage it out as much as you can. If you still can't get one or two out, have no fears. It will eventually go away. Give it about 24 hours. It will go away. I can promise you that. As long as there's no lint, no debris underneath it. It does take about 12 hours, honestly, for the glass to fully sit on the display, right? It will take about 12 hours. 24, I've never had it take 24. That's why I always say at the most 24, probably 12 to 18 hours. Or you go to bed, you wake up the next day, and it's all the air, little air bubbles going. So I think we got a good fit. So let's take a look, and we'll turn up the screen brightness to see just how dim it really is. So did I get a good install? Maybe off to the right a little bit, but that's pretty good. As you can tell, there's an air bubble right here. It's a big one. Can massage it out just like that. See that right there? Sometimes you got to do it in different directions and it'll come out. See? I was trying to get it down, didn't go. Then I move it to the right or up, came back. Anyways, you get the point. I'm not going to waste time on that. But so let's see. So this is what it looks like on the display. Now, wow. It does dim it a little bit. Let's turn the display up all the way. Let's see what it looks like, right? So that's full blast. Okay? So it dims it a little bit, but not that much, honestly. It's actually a little better than I thought. I thought it would dim it, make the screen not as bright, right? But actually does a decent job. Yeah, you can still see a little bit of the display underneath from where it does not block it out. Interesting. Does it do that anywhere else? Oh, it does down here. Huh. Still all the way up, isn't it? That's crazy. I've never owned one, never wanted one, but I get it. Look, I get it. You don't want people snooping around. Again, if you ride the subway to work or anywhere, you ride public transportation, maybe you're Uber a lot. You don't want people sitting next to you seeing what you're doing while you're going on a ride. I get it. I totally get it. I just have no use for one, but it's pretty cool. I mean, it completely blacks out your display. Not this way, not that way, but that way. Wow, cool. Man, that's really cool. Huh. All right. Well, there you have it. It comes with two of these. So if you like it, you don't like it, you want to take it off and you think, maybe I do need it, and you can always go back to it. Again, does come with a full warranty. It really looks like they will honor the warranty. Now, does it warranty the case or these screen protectors? I have no idea, but I'm sure if you log on to the website, you should be able, I'm sure you can get all the info there. And then it also has a tip guide, how to remove air bubbles under screen. Interesting. So that will do it. If you got any questions, give me a holler. Let's see, and again, I'll link this in the video description below. Somebody asked me where's the video description. If you click on the title of this video, just click the title while you're watching it, and then it'll expand the description box below the video, and then you can click the description box once again, and then it'll expand that once more. So click the title, then click the box below it, and then it'll expand everything. So eSIM Studios, this is the case review of the SimCell, I'm assuming is the name. Don't know how to pronounce some of these. SimCell case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Military grade drop protection. I think it's a good protective case. It does have a couple of shortcomings with maybe some of the build quality there and here, but the screen protector is pretty cool. Never had seen one of those before, used one. So let me know if you got any questions. Again, link will be in the description box below for this case. And thank you for your time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do case reviews for iPhones, case reviews for Google Pixel devices, and then also for Samsung devices, which I'm recording on right now. So don't forget to join our live stream. Yes, we talk the latest technology headline news every day in the afternoon. So subscribe to the channel. You get notified. You can come over and talk some tech with us in the afternoon. So I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.